What's going on, everybody? I'm not going to be late, Tim. I'm here on time, man. You already know what it is. We got John J. No, not John J. I didn't scroll up first enough. We got Tim first in the chat today. What's going on, Tim? John J. Tim. F-I-R-S-T. First for Tim today. John J. What's going on, man? Tim. John J. Tim. John J. Tim. John J. Tim. Old Rounder. Tim. Paul. Tim. Paul. Tim. Paul. John J. Outdoor Smile. My goodness. Tim. Outdoor Smile. You're good, man. You're addressed and ready to go. And if is crypto Greg? Hey, hurry up! Somebody remind me. Was it Crypto Greg? Is that who won earlier before he gets in here? Crypto Greg won? Is it Greg? He's addressed and ready to go. Mr. Simon is addressed and ready to go. Outdoor Smile is addressed and ready to go. Mr. Normus is not yet addressed. I sent him a message to make sure that I still had the correct address from when I sent him a shirt last year. So I did not address his yet, but Mr. Normus is addressed and ready to go if he tells me that it's correct. But I got the bag sitting on the shirt, so it is ready right there. Paul, Tim, Paul, John J, Outdoor Smile, Tim, Chris, Arthur, Frank, Outdoor Smile, Notos, you're not first, man, you like last. Tim, Outdoor Smile, John J, Paul, Pudgy, what's going on, man? Pudgy thinks he's first too. Tim, Pudgy, Paul, we got J Bones in the house. J Bones, Tim, Paul, Tim, Pat, Transparent Trading, J Bones, Pat, Ryan. Oh my gosh, I'm addressed and ready to go. Ryan, you are not addressed and ready to go. You have not won anything yet, Ryan. Very sorry about that. I don't mean to be rude by it, but I will be blunt. You do not have a shirt on the way as of yet. You can absolutely win a shirt and have the shirt on the way, but you do not have that going on just yet, man. Bitcoin right now. Blah, what is Bitcoin doing, man? I was watching the market a minute ago. Bitcoin down to, what was it, 17.7? Where are we at? 17.8 right now. Yes, it was down to, okay, touch 17.671. I must have seen it when it was like in this area, 17.7 or so. Bitcoin pulling back on good old Jerome Powell, man. AMC, it closed up today just slightly. Shiba Inu coin coming down today, 896. GameStop sitting slightly higher today, 0.43%. But yes, the overall market getting hit very hard today on the interest rate decision, which is surprising because it came in exactly as expected. So you know what it shows us, guys? It shows us that the overall market was expecting something much better than what the consensus was showing. I sent a reminder. You owe Tim. Pudgy, which one do I owe Tim? What do I owe Tim right now? Because I remembered that I owed Tim something, and we did not do it in the morning chat because Tim's never here in the morning chat. What do I owe Tim? And then I will do it. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat, Pat says. Better wet that whistle at this pace. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Let's wet that whistle, baby. Let's do it. My goodness. That tastes so good, Pat, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Afternoon to you as well, Keith. How you doing, man? You owe me King Turkey. I want a pika too. I'll give you a little pika. You ain't getting the full pika, but I'll give you a little half a pika right there. Tim, man, this one's for you. Hold on. That authorized hydration caused that King Turkey gobbler to shut down. God, Tim, man, thank you very much. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the reminder. And la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. Yes, man. Thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it, Pudgy. Loving it, man. I heard Robin Hood took buy button away. Is that not true? Mel, you talking like last year? 2 years ago? Well, I don't even know when it was. Last year, man? In during the initial run-up? Or are you talking recently? What's up, bros? What's going on, Brandon? SPY calls were a failure. Early exit preserved 60% of the capital. Long-term retirement portfolio down. Oh, dude, 0.04%. That's normal, man. That's not a loss. That's normal. That's just a break even there. Neckbeard, did you see the cookie drama? No, I don't think so. We talking cookie like a person? We talking cookies in general? We talking something else? I've not seen. Dude, I try to stay as far away from drama as possible, but I've not seen any drama. It's been a good day. I've not seen any drama today, man. I like it. Snapshot of my life. I now have 200 pounds of American Bulldogs. Freaking out. Priceless, baby. Nice, Tim. Nice. I still want Tim to win a shirt, man, but I want to do some sort of a barbecue sauce trade. Hit the P.O. box up with some barbecue sauce this weekend or something, Tim. Maybe you get a little shirt in your mailbox and I get some barbecue sauce in the P.O. box there. And that, folks, that's how you save $5 on a Pika sticker. No, technically you missed out on one of them. I felt generous. On the third one there. I did give it to you. I thought about giving you the half, but I actually gave you 25% more than what you got there. You did have, technically you paid for half of it. You got 50% more than what you paid for because you got one over. So you did get a 50% bonus on that one right there. But, yeah, you could do it. You could do it, Pudgy. You know what you're doing there. Let's see. Yeah, no, J-Bones, I have not seen anything at all, man. I actually haven't seen anything on Twitter from her in a very long time. Let's see. Hey, Clay, what does a reverse coin split mean? Because I heard that they want to do that with LUNC. So, Esco, I have not seen that they want to do that with Terra Luna Classic yet. But it would essentially mean that they do something very similar to what they did with Terra Luna 2.0. So, when you owned Terra Luna Classic back in May, they took a snapshot of all of the owners. And if you owned it when that snapshot took place, very similar to the record date on a reverse split taking place in the stock market, what happened is that you were airdropped the Luna 2.0. Those either hit your DeFi wallet, if you held it on a centralized exchange, those hit your centralized exchange wallet, and you were given coins, essentially for free, right? If you were going to do a coin split, where you take the price of Terra Luna Classic at 0.000, I think it's 3 zeros right now, I don't know, and the 17,000 points per coin that it's at right now. If you take those and you want to reverse split that, what you would essentially do is say, okay, here's the snapshot, here's the record date. If you own it as of that, you will be getting an airdrop into your wallets or into your centralized exchanges and so on. But we are going to be making Terra Luna Classic worthless. So they could do that in several ways, man. One of the easiest ways to do is just put 100% tax on it. If you put 100% tax on it, literally anything that you do is going to destroy those coins. So you can't, there's no value in any transaction would destroy those coins. So they would essentially abandon Terra Luna Classic at that point, and you would get the new Terra Luna Classic coin, and you would get it at whatever the reverse split ratio was. If it was a 1 for 10, and you owned 1 million of them, all of a sudden you would own 100,000 of the new coin, and Terra Luna Classic 2.0, whatever they would want to call it, and then your old coins would be worthless at that point. So that's how you could perform a reverse split on a coin. Let's see. I was on a Matt Stoner video about 3 hours ago about the buy button thing. Mel Camino. So I have not seen the buy button taken away on Robinhood recently. That does not mean that it has not been taken away recently. I have not seen it taken away recently. Hey bro, one hand washes the other. Just saying. Yes, it does. Ed reminds you 3 times, Pudgy. Well, thank you very much for your consistency. She gone. Shogun, she gone. Gone? Like, what do you mean gone? J-Bones, what do you mean? Afternoon, everybody. What's going on, King Mama? King Mama, how you doing, man? Good morning to you. As a side note, the Terra 2.0 was never delivered to holders on public. Apex Crypto screwed all of them. Tim, yeah, I haven't seen that, man. That is a possibility, right? That is a possibility. If they did not want to accommodate this split or the airdrop or whatever you want to call it there, if they didn't want to accommodate that, I guess they didn't have to, and that's one of the downfalls of holding on these centralized exchanges is they make the rules, man. And if they didn't want to accommodate it, it sucks for the customers, absolutely. And I don't like that. But I really don't like these I can't say anything too nice about these centralized exchanges, man. Or the brokers, the stock brokers, or anything. You know, everybody's, oh, we're looking out for retail. We got retail's best interest. Dude, you don't care about retail at all, man. You care about your own interest and how easy it is and the money that you guys can make. Anyone see Cassie? I have not seen Cassie in a while, Paul. I have not. Still haven't gotten my whitey tighties, Clay. Devil's advocate. Keep looking, man. Keep looking. They're going to be on their way. King Mamba, what's going on? Boom, Tim. Cheers. Cheers to you and King Mamba. Dude, King Mamba lives so far away. It's like, it might even be like, it's not even noon for King Mamba yet. Think about that. It's like 11 a.m. for King Mamba. It is so far away, man. That is so far away. I don't even know how King Mamba shows up in the morning stream sometimes. It's extremely early. Greetings. Oh, what's going on, Alexis? Keep it Rambo. That was that. Yeah, Rambo. Let's do it, man. Let's check the market out real quick, guys. See what's going on over here. AMC closed the day at 576. Shiba Inu coin 897 right now. GameStop 2109 closed. The Nasdaq closed down 0.76% today. Biora Therapeutics 1828, but it's bouncing up after hours, sitting up 6% at 19.40 cents per share. AMC 576. Ethereum down. Shiba down. Doge down. Bitcoin down. Almost all identical charts right there. Sundial closing the day at 237, down 2.87. Mullen Auto 26 cents. Mullen Auto up 23% today. Wow, Mullen Auto getting a little move there. Mullen Auto getting a little boost. Mullen Auto actually doing pretty well today. CEI 8 cents per share. Whoa! Not where I wanted to be. The SPY closing at $399.38. BBIG 52 cents per share. Highcroft Mining 50 cents per share. Netflix 317.83. Terra Luna Classic 16.5 coming down. QQQ 286 and Ape closing the day at 88.48. Better than the 77 cents that it was at a couple days ago, but nonetheless, man, 88 cents on Ape, still extremely low. I guess that dream that I had where it touched $1.49, that was a dream, man. That was a dream. Because it is well below $1.49 right now. 88 cents is 50% discount from $1.49. My gosh, man. But that would have been an excellent dream to take advantage of because it did touch $1.48. And then it bounced back up to like $2.20 or something. That would have been a sick trade. If I had a buy order at $1.49, it touched $1.48, and then bounced back up, and I was able to take some profit on it. That would have been a sick trade right there. Pudgy, greetings to you. When is he speaking? And what's he gonna say? Or did he speak already? Powell already spoke today. So Powell talked hour and 45 minutes ago. He began talking. I actually don't know when he finished. He probably finished an hour ago. Basically said we got a 50 basis point rate hike, and we are going to be entering a sustained period of slow growth. Because interest rates are going to be high and remain high for this foreseeable future, growth is not going to be robust, which does not mean that we can't see the stock market begin to move higher, but it's certainly not going to be as conductive to growth or as conducive to growth as we would like, based on the fact that money is going to be expensive for a while. And inflation, although they're trying to wrangle it back down to 2% target rate, prices are not going back down, guys. Prices are not going to go back down. They may slow the increase of those prices, but they are not going to decrease in price. Well, there's a possibility that it may end up relocating to the greater Cleveland or Cincinnati area. It will be bros for real then. I'll keep you posted. Nice, Pat. Very nice. Obviously your job, right, would be relocating you there, and not just the fact that you are choosing to move to Ohio. Don't choose to move to Ohio, man. It's winter, Pudgy. It's nighttime in Alaska until summer. Dang, man. What do you got, like 6 months of nighttime over there, King Mamba? Let's look at Mullen. YOLO, big in at 18 cents. My goodness, Tim. I like it. Cold storage. I keep nothing on exchanges. Brandon, very good deal. Mullen Auto, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, Tim, if you got in at exactly 18 cents, Tim, don't lie to us, man. Where is your actual entry? There's no way you got in at dead on 18 cents, and you have an absolute bottom here. You're in at 18 and change, man. We know it. Tim, if you win the legendary entry award, if you got in at exactly 18 cents. Nonetheless, they're looking phenomenal. It's up over 8 cents right now from there, which would be 45% gain from what we're seeing. Now, it did run into a little bit of resistance here today, and it's why you got a little bit of a pullback. So please bear in mind that this is touching resistance, even though it's only 25, 26 cents. It's still touching resistance. Breaks through, man, you're going to have pretty strong resistance in this area. Touching it on the downside, touching it on the upside, 33-cent range. So watch out for that. But, dude, I would love it, man. If you took it from 18 cents up to this area, 50, 60 cents, Tim, that would be sick. Here's the thing, man. Don't get caught up in the fact that you're going to think this stock is going to run back up to $15 right now. Just if it starts to pull back, man, hit that pow and take that profit. But it's excellent entry if you get in anywhere in that 18-cent range, man. Anywhere in that area. That would be sick. All right, where we at here? Pat, stay out of the big cities. Do it. I forgot the sky colors and the seasons in Alaska. Devil's Advocates. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me either. Nobody. WTF, my first time here. You must have got me confused with someone else. Frodo. Is it real? We got two guys with the same exact name? I thought Frodo might have been returning here. I don't know. Frodo. Hey, Frodo. This guy's like, WTF, my first time here. He must have me confused with somebody else. Frodo. I guess we do, man. I guess we do. I have not seen Frodo in months, man. I've not seen Frodo in months. I want to know where Frodo's at. Get him, man. Oh, my gosh. I got to shave. My mustache is tickling my nose now. I got to shave here soon, guys. Freaking starving, just hopping in again. Hops into realize I was way behind. So if I can't be first comment, I'll just be late to the chat. Chris, man, better late than never. And thank you very much for showing up to the chat. Can't fool us. There's only one Frodo. We know it's you, bro. Frodo's like, crap. They got me. No, guys. It's light out right now. Oh, so it's light out forever. It's like, I can't believe that it would be light for 24 plus hours or dark for 24 plus hours. That's very strange. Is that true, King Mamba? This does happen. I've never seen it myself. I'll trust King Mamba if he tells me it's true. Can't trust everything everybody tells you. I got in at 18 and low. I'm at a 37+% gain. My gosh, Tim. Epic entry, man. Legendary. Neckbeard, essentially DM on Twitter. Perfect. J Bones. I'll look at it afterwards, man. Should I look at it now? I don't even know if I want to look at it now. Should I look at it now or no? I don't even know if I should, man. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. It is very unfortunate, man. It is very unfortunate if that's true. No idea if it is or not, but no, man. I listen. I liked Cookie. Cookie seemed like a good person, man. She was fun, right? But I have no idea. Can you explain Rumble? I missed that episode. The famous ones. Are you talking Royal Rumble in the Discord, or are you talking like Rumble, the other like video posting platform? Which Rumble are you talking? Absolutely, Tim. Heck yeah, man. Clear Mullen is an ugly girlfriend. You're riding a moped. Enjoy the ride, but don't fall in love. Oh my god, dude. Yes. Don't fall in love with riding a moped, and hey, man, you just don't fall in love with an ugly girlfriend, I guess. Very interesting, Tim. Do not fall in love, man. Take that money, and if the money starts to go away, take the money even faster. None. Decentralized is scary right now. Decentralized and centralized are both scary. Let's see here. Robert, so listen, you can store anywhere, decentralized or centralized, but know that they all have risks. Decentralized, you can look at places like Coinami, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Crypto.com wallet. I don't know, you could look at those. If you're looking at centralized exchanges, well, you only got a couple of them left, man. Coinbase, KuCoin, Binance, Kraken still seems to be left. You gotta watch out. Sure, like, yeah, man, very weird to see some of that stuff. I don't know, man. I can't talk. Listen, I can't say anything bad. I can't say anything bad about Cookie. I like Cookie. What's going on with Crow? Saying they burned 4.5 million. Is this true? Crypto Zaddy, I actually have no idea. It is possible, but I have not seen any of that, so I cannot confirm nor deny. Nope, there is a 1 hour time difference between Alaska and Washington State. So what is it, noon there right now? Noon there for you, King Maba? Which cold storage wallets? Ledger, Trezor, some cold storage wallets that you could look at as well. If you were to bet 10,000, would you say Shiba ends above 0.00? No, I would confidently bet $10,000 actually that Shiba Inu coin does not end above 1,000 points per coin today. I would confidently bet that. I really would. I would confidently bet that Shiba Inu coin ends lower than that. If anybody wants to give me that bet, want to sign the contract, I'll take that bet. The only thing that could make Shiba Inu coin jump above 1,000 points per coin today is if Elon Musk comes out and says anything about Doge or specifically Shiba Inu coin being on the Twitter platform. And I like my odds. I like my odds in that happening. It's not going to hit like a 15% gain today, unless Elon Musk does that. So I'll take that with you, man. Patrick, thank you very much. The one battle for the shirt. Oh, gotcha, the famous ones. Okay, we can talk about that in 2 seconds here. Patrick, man. Quabro and Nose Hair Trimmer Fund. Thank you. Dude, that guy right there is exactly what I look like right now. My hair is too long everywhere on my head. My hair is too long. And I do have a nose hair trimmer, man. I do have a nose hair trimmer. I might have to bust that bad boy out because I can feel it. I can feel it tickling around in there, and it's not good. It's not good, Pat. Thank you very much for the super chat. We're going to have to trim some of this hair up, dude, because it's getting a little wild today, isn't it? How is Bitcoin approaching 18,000? It popped up. This is pretty crazy. Johnstontown, absolutely, man. So Bitcoin going up on yesterday's news of the 7.1% inflation rate. People actually expecting that the market may have come in with or the Federal Reserve may have come in with a 25 basis point rate hike today. Getting kind of sideswiped with a 50 basis point rate hike. We were sitting right here, recovering a little bit, but not really after this decline. But obvious expectations were for a 25 basis point rate hike. We got to 50. It sold off a little bit, coming back down almost $1,000, man, from 18,360 down to 17,671. So decent sell-off based on the news there that the Federal Reserve increased interest rates by 50 points instead of 25. Mopeds like Fega, the fun to ride, see friends catch. Oh, God, man. If your friends don't like you riding mopeds, you don't even have good friends, man. Ride as many mopeds as you want to ride. If you're having fun on a moped, continue to have fun on a moped. Forget your friends at that point. They're not your real friends. Friends let friends ride mopeds, man. SafePal is my favorite cold storage wallet. I had on my ledger. Oh, really? Okay, so SafePal, Brandon. There you go. Let's see. Matthew Perry made a video on it, but he's been going on some clickbait stuff now. I'm sorry, Crypto Zaddy. I don't know which one you meant, man. Made a video on what? I didn't see what you said he made the video on, so sorry about that. Let's see. If you want to be happy for the rest of your life, don't ever make a pretty woman your wife. Great song and great advice. Present female company excluded, of course. Of course, man. Of course. And that could be some pretty good advice. I don't know. A low battery and a nose hair trim. It can be quite painful. Yeah, dude. But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Outdoor smile. I would honestly rather rip it out. Like, I would have no problem ripping it out right now if I needed to. You just gotta take care of business, dude. When you got something growing the wrong way or something, it starts like messing with you, or it's like hitting the side of your nose. You gotta get rid of it, dude. You gotta just pull it out. You gotta get rid of it. Patrick, neck beards and nose hairs need some love too, and they need some coffee. You're absolutely right, Patrick. Thank you very much. For the authorized hydration. Loving it, man. Pat, dude, thank you very much for that. Tim, Moped, he was a 10%. Tim, man, Tim's going to get punched. I'm going to send Tim a shirt. Tim's shirt's going to just have like a big old hole in it. I'm going to send Tim a shirt, and it's going to have a big old hole in it. Tim, man, thank you very much for ripping on me there with my 10% stop losses and so on. You can go to the Asian massage place and ask for a nose shave job and say, well, I could, man, but that might be... I don't know, that'd be dangerous, dude. I don't want to have my nose waxed or anything. 46, watch only 18. Oh, my gosh. Ronald, tell these people to like the stream, man. What are you guys doing? Ronald, I don't have... You're the only diamond bro that I know of right now that does not have an addressed package ready for them. Ronald, can I expect you to send me a message on Twitter, email, or Discord? I want to send you a shirt, dude. If you don't want a shirt, you don't have to have a shirt. I will tell you right now, I am out of 2Xs. So, I'm out of 2Xs. So if you guys are above an extra large, you're either going to have to wait or donate your shirt to somebody else, whatever you want to do with it. But, yeah, Ronald, man, what can I expect you to tell me? Email, Twitter, or Discord. I want to get it out to you, but I don't have your address or P.O. box or whatever. Speaking of which, the Claybro Moped fun, baby. Oh, yes. Pat, we're going to have some fun this summer on the Claybro Moped. Oh, yeah. I can already... We still talking about mopeds? I don't know. We still talking about... I don't know if we're still talking about mopeds, man. I want to have some fun this summer. I'll tell you that right now. Will you wear my shirt on a live, or do I have to pay sponsor? What do you mean, the famous ones? Like, you want me to send you a shirt that I have worn? I'm not going to send you a shirt that I've worn. That's weird. Is that what you're talking about? Or you want to send me a shirt? I mean, dude, I'll wear a shirt if I wear a shirt. I don't care. I'll wear a shirt if you send me a shirt. But it's not like I'm going to wear it every day or anything. Need XL. Ronald, I believe that I do have XL, okay? Where can I expect you to send me your address? Discord, email, or Twitter. I believe that I do have extra larges. Okay? Let's see. The shirt will be the best thing in your wardrobe. Guaranteed to make the... Ooh, they just might, Chris. They just might. I think Chris likes his shirt. Chris, man, thank you for that. Appreciate the excitement there. And hopefully, if you guys do win one today, Ronald's got a guaranteed one. But hopefully somebody else wins a shirt in here, and you guys appreciate and like the shirt as well. And once you put it on, you never take it off. Yes, man, that's what we're looking for right there. I want to see what this is doing on here. $1.16 on Optimism Coin, down about 2 cents from what it was before. Where's Band? Band back at $1.95. Band not moving at all today. Not too bad. And kind of sitting stagnant along with... the rest of the crypto market was actually pretty volatile today, so I was out there looking at Band really quick, but not doing too much, man. Still sitting at $1.95, exactly where it was earlier today. The overall cryptocurrency market very similar to where it was earlier today, but by really early in the morning today. Traveling up nicely, but seems to be curling back over right now. Possibly going to break back down below the 17.6 level again. And could be moving lower. Tonight, I will contact you. Very good, Ronald. I don't know where. I'll keep my eye out. Keep my eye out for you, Ronald. No shirt here yet. But no mail yet. Gorilla, you're not that far, man. But it is only Wednesday. I forget that it's only Wednesday. I would have imagined you guys would have started getting your shirts today. I think they did very well getting a lot of these guys their shirts, man. Wednesday is not a bad deal. I mean, I literally sent them out on Saturday, so I honestly didn't even expect them to go anywhere until Monday. But yeah, dude, it's only Wednesday, and it wasn't shipped priority mail or anything, so I actually thought you guys would have started getting them today, tomorrow, and possibly Friday. Hood got the shirt cased up and hanging it next to my Peyton Manning jersey. Complete made up for someone who doesn't even watch sports. Nice, man. Nice. Peyton Manning sounds like a good guy, but that bro shirt is where it's at. Chris, I like it. I know you're kidding me, but I like it anyway. Clear in my last comment. Absolutely King Mamba. It should be a 20% stop loss because you drive a foot. King Mamba thinks he's funny. King Mamba, I don't know, dude. King Mamba's gonna get a shirt with a hole in it too. Danelle, what's going on, Danelle? How you doing today? Mac versus Mike's Mac. Apple versus Microsoft. Apple stock. I actually have not looked at Apple stock in a very long time. Let's see where Apple's trading at here. Don't have it on the chart right here. Let's find it. Apple sitting at Apple at $143 is actually not that bad. Down from the 170, 180 that it was at. 170, 180 back at the beginning of 2021 here. But really not a huge pullback in Apple at all. And Apple's still paying a decent dividend. Nothing huge though. 0.5% dividend. You get 92 cents on $150 stock. Longer term graph of Apple though, phenomenal, man. Phenomenal. This is a monthly graph right here, and phenomenal gains going back to 2008 here. My goodness. Could you just imagine? Could you imagine getting an Apple at a cent? Oh man, that's all the gains that we're gonna be sitting on, guys. When we're old and we're ready to die, and we've been in the stock market for the last 50 years, this is the kind of stuff that we'll be sitting on. Oh my goodness! I remember when I bought Mullen Auto for 18 cents. Now it's at like $1,800 a share. Oh, it was the greatest day of my life. I bought Mullen Auto at 18 cents during the Great Depression of 2022. Yeah, dude, it worked out very well for you, didn't it? Tim's going to be saying that because Tim ain't no chicken, man. Tim don't take no 10% gains. Tim drives a truck. You don't drive no Forte. Now, where'd you... Yeah, Gorilla, I can... I got the receipt, too. I can find out which tracking number was yours and look at it if I need to. When you're older, Commando is bad because there's nothing to catch the extra Oh my god. Outdoor Smile, bringing a little bit of wisdom into everybody's life here today. I'm looking at VGFC, very good food. Oh my gosh, with the expense of raising livestock, vegetable-based foods could take off. Old farmer advice, but not financial advice. Gosh, dude, but that stock too, man. It doesn't look like a very good company. That VGFC, that looks more like to me one of those boom pows. It looks more like a boom pow or a farmy, man. I'm skeptical of this bad boy here. Okay, I know it's touching 6 cents. It is near all-time lows. People might think that this is as low as it could possibly go. Only a $9 million market cap is extremely low for a company. You are correct on that, but my goodness. It's just, all it wants to do is go down. It's all it wants to do is go down. So I'm skeptical of VGFC being a decent long-term growth stock or something. I'm chicken alone. Nobody's stealing my sparkle. Boom, Danelle. Perfect. Sounds great. What do you make it sound like? A religious shirt is bad. A holy shirt? It's not, dude. It's not. But it's an Ohio winter, man. It's an Ohio winter, and you are not going to be doing very well if your shirt has a hole in it. And then you go outside and it's snowing and it's freezing cold. Hello, Tim Pudgy Outdoor and King Mama. Heck yeah. Question, is the stock stereo still in there? If so, the stop loss goes up. Yes. It still does have the stock stereo in my Kia Forte, King Mamba. Dang it, man. Dang it, King Mamba ripping again. Hello, did I miss here, or did Shiba Inu get rid of 60 trillion asking for a friend? Loretta, you misheard something. You misheard. Shiba Inu coin did not get rid of 60 trillion coins today, or yesterday, or in the last week, or anything. Total, it has gotten rid of a little over 400 trillion, but that's because Vitalik, man, the guy that founded Ethereum, just the initial burn, he burned half the supply of Shiba Inu coin like a savage, dude. Who just gives away $1 billion like that? But he did, nonetheless. And, dude, that would have been what, like $15-20 billion during the peak? Oh my gosh, man. It would have been like $15-20 billion during the peak of Shiba Inu coin. That's what, yeah, you know you don't care about money when you just burn like $15 billion. But yes, that has been burned. But no, nobody's burned 60 trillion anytime recently. Patrick, thank you very much for the new Donnell's Sparkle Fund. Thank you very much, Patrick. And nobody, I say nobody is taking Donnell's Sparkle. Thank you very much, Pat. Leaving early, errands to run. Ronald, man, make sure you tell me in the Discord, on email, or Twitter where I can send your shirt. I drive an old Ford F-250, 1977. The tires are with the truck. I got 345,000 on it. Oh my gosh, dude. But I can sit in the driver's seat like a big boy. Dude, 345,000 miles on a truck. Tim, man, that is a lot of miles. That's a good truck, dude. It's a good truck for sure. Tight ones at that, Pat. I have no idea what you're talking about now. This sounds kind of scary. Mullen is 60% of my portfolio, and I'm only down 20% on this stock. Let's go. 2023 about to be great. Keith, dude, I hope 2023 is going to rip higher for you. Dude, I hope you just kill it on that trade then, Keith. I really do. Mr. Beat? Who's Mr. Beat? Oh, Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast? You think I'm Mr. Beast? No, I'm not Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a pretty big dude. Pat, thank you. I need more than... No. You got all the sparkle you'll ever need, Donnell. I got a new phone and need a bro sticker for the new case. Keith, man. Lucky for you. I've got one right here for you, man. I know how much you like purple. Keith, and this one could be yours for the good old price of nothing. Just being my friend. Could absolutely be yours. If not, I got a pink one for you. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat says 200,000 Shiba for Donnell. Boom, baby. 200,000 Shiba. $2. I like it, Pat, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. And Donnell, now all you got $2 and 200,000 Shiba Inu coin. Perfect, Donnell. So, for my 1 year, can I get a hoodie? I have a shirt already. Possibly, Keith. Possibly. I still got to give some of those other hoodies out from J-Bones there. But I don't currently have any extra. Oh, man. I can tell right now my right eye is about to get so red. It's going to start itching. I can't. Hold on. I can't scratch it, man. It's about to get bad. I don't know what the heck just happened. We might have to go small before I turn into a Cyclops. Can't promise a hoodie for the 1 year, but we can do a shirt, right? I'll have to see. I don't know if I'm going to have any extra hoodies or anything like that. So I'll have to see what we got in terms of hoodies before I say yes to that for sure. But ask and you shall receive, man. I want a hoodie 14 months. Yes, everyone has a hoodie. Victor, did you get your... Sent yours out, right? Victor, did you get your shirt yet? Good evening from London. Burhan, what's going on? Clay, if Mr. Beast was really a good dude, and then he would be a good dude without making a video about it, to just do good stuff. Yeah, Chris, I agree, man. Mr. Beast, I don't know if he's essentially a good dude or not, right? But his entire video formula is basically spending all of the money that he makes in his videos to continue like this cycle that he's got. And keep in mind, okay, he's got a ton of videos, a ton of channels now that are just Mr. Beast Reacts, Mr. Beast Gaming, stuff like that. So he's got like 7 or 8 channels now and a couple 100 million subscribers across all of those channels. So don't just look at his Mr. Beast channel where he's got like 112 million subscribers or whatever it is. He's got like 7 or 8 channels with a couple 100 million total. So that dude is just raking it in. And yeah, you know, you're right. You're right. But at the same time, I also think when you see somebody like, Jimmy Darts is one of them, and then some other MD motivator or something. You know, when you see these videos where these guys are giving money away or donating or helping somebody out in need or going and buying one of those people that like sell art and stuff on the side of the road, they buy their entire supply and then give it back to them. You know, the videos like that, I understand. Be a good dude, but you don't have to show the world that you're being a good dude. But at the same time, you know, it can inspire somebody else to be a good person too. So I don't really see the harm in posting a video of yourself being a good person, because it may, even if you're trying to brag a little bit or get some views for it and stuff like that, it may inspire somebody else to do something good as well, which just perpetuates the goodness. Let's see. Clay, did you ever get your tank tops? No, I have not bought any tank tops to know. I've not bought any tank tops, only t-shirts. 5 kids and Christmas is a struggle. Yeah, Keith, I can imagine 5 kids Christmas would be a struggle, dude. Oh gosh. Keith, I don't even know what to say. That is huge, man. Can I have a shirt, bro? The famous ones. Yes, you can absolutely win a shirt, man. We will be doing a shirt giveaway here pretty soon, so do not leave yet. N9 fake shares in AMC. Buckeye. You mean no fake shares or literally N9 fake shares? Do you believe in fake shares in AMC? So Buckeye Ace. No, not to the quantity that everybody else believes in, man. I think that there are shares. There are short shares. And there may be some naked short shares in the quantity of the FTDs that are out there. I've not had to answer this question in a long time. I don't know the current number of FTDs that are currently out there, but it's probably several million as they continue to make these trades and just don't finish and deliver them on that day. But as far as the amount of fake shares exceeding a couple million, no, I think that they would be all marked by the amount of FTDs that are in existence. Pick the spicy something. AMC to the moon. Flavoring. Let's get it, man. Fair argument, though, Clay. Bro, my optimistic side said he is doing it for the betterment of humanity. Maybe, right? I don't know. I don't think there's a problem. Listen, I really don't think there's a problem either, though. Even if he's doing it for the views, right? Other people still are winning. Like the people that he's giving it to, they're still receiving huge amounts of. I mean, dude, you know, he sends a video, like, he's got those videos on TikTok as well. He sends a kid to Paris. Kid gets a little weekend trip to Paris to buy him a baguette, and then he drops him 10 grand for buying it. So he's doing a lot for a lot of people. Even if he's doing it so that he can get views, dude, let him get the views, man. The advertisers pay the money, and then he uses that money to literally give it to a bunch of other people. So he's famous, yes, and he's famous because he records himself giving money away, but it's a tactic that works, and these people get the benefit from it. So I like it. I don't think it's bad. Movie Theater Chain is set to launch an AMC Entertainment Visa card early 2023 in partnership with Visa and Deserve, a digital credit platform. Credit card holders. Yeah, flavors. So they've been trying to do this for a very, very long time now. I hope they can get it out there and it works out for them. Adam Aaron has screwed the retail investor. Good luck with it, though. That's kind of my sentiment, Chris. Adam Aaron turns his back on or never had his front towards retail investors, but That's my thoughts, man. It's nice of you, but I was going to check out his website on something. I did now. I got a bottle of yummy barbecue sauce. Your name on it, sweet and smoky, less spicy or spicy. Pick what you want. Tim, man. Tim, what's that guy's website? I might have to get some. I might have to get some I really do like barbecue sauce, dude. So I might have to get some to buy some for Christmas. Where are we at here? I gotta catch back up. I gotta scroll down. You guys got some good chats going on. Oh, let's see. Chris Solomon, them year around. Oh man, I don't even know. Tank tops? What are we talking about now? He says too cold for tank top. Gotcha. SBF already said sorry, and he said anyone who still blames him. Oh, carding, man. No, listen. I get it. He truly might be sorry. Right? Which is fine. You can truly be sorry. And that's great. But it does not take away what you have done. Saying sorry does not relieve you of the actions that you've committed. It's nice if people can forgive him, yes. But saying sorry just doesn't cut it, man. You're not a bad person if you still don't like him. He literally scammed billions of dollars, dude. Let's see, I just bought more Shiba tokens, some Luna Classic. What do you think was a good choice or do not appreciate if you let me know that? Yeah, Burhan, man. So, look, as long as you're not going to be super stressed out if the bear market continues on, I think it's a good choice. I think that Shiba is going to survive the bear market. Terra Luna Classic should survive the bear market. But I think any of these cryptocurrencies right now are going to be looking very fine when the bull market returns. And dude, even if you're doubling, tripling, quadrupling your money, which is relatively low, and you're not even reaching the all-time highs again, you're still making a lot of money, dude. So I think that if you're fine with a potential downswing again before we go up and permanently hit a bottom, you're good to go. Or Mr. Beast could silently donate to the homeless. Yeah, but see, here's the problem with that, though, Tim. When you silently donate to the homeless, right, he's not able to perpetuate the donations. If he films himself donating to the homeless still get that money, but everybody that watches allows those advertisers that put that 4-second ad on his videos to pay for him to donate to the homeless again. You just have to watch it. You just get to see it. So I really don't have a problem with this guy, filming himself, buying people's houses or giving away 10 grand or doing all of these things that he does. Honestly, let the advertisers pay all of it, man. Let them pay all of it. If I could, right, the 46 people in here, I would give every single one of you $100,000 if I knew that the advertisers were paying for it, right? I can't give 46 people $100,000. But if people just watched it, man, I would literally drive up to your house, fly to your house, whatever it took. I'd walk up to your front door and slap $100 grand in your lap, if I could. But if the advertiser, you'd have to film it for the advertisers to pay for it. So I think it's a good strategy, man. People are willing to watch it. People want to watch that kind of stuff. And the only way that he can do it is because he films himself doing it. I would gladly, man, walk up to every single one of you. And even if it meant that I didn't get the 100,000, right? But if I could give you guys the 100,000 because advertisers were paying for it, I would gladly film myself doing that, man. Oh, Gorilla, I just don't like giving away money for videos or for his friends getting 10,000 for walking on a treadmill. I'm not faulting him for making money. I think it's just, well, Chris, it is, man. But when you think about it like that, okay, I get it. That is like it's a little strange, but at the same time, I would love, man. I would love it to have a video that got 200 million views of me just walking up to you and I don't know, maybe taking a briefcase or a duffel bag with 100 grand and then just smacking you across the head with it and giving it to you. You know what I mean? Like, people would watch it and everybody in here would get 100 grand. I think that would be great. You didn't have to do anything but watch it, and in Walmart ran their little ad on it. Samsung ran their little ad on it ahead of Christmas time. I do think that it's a very good way to pay for those donations, man. Hey, just wondering what your thoughts on Dojalon. Love Stubbs barbecue. Stubbs does have some good barbecue sauce. S. Rodriguez. Dojalon, I have never bought Dojalon. Dojalon Mars is another one of those tiny little meme coins that is heavily correlated to Elon Musk. I'd rather play with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, but nonetheless, man, Dojalon Mars is going to run the more that people talk about Elon Musk. Hey, everyone, late again with these work days. Oh my gosh, last 15 minutes. What did I miss? Rich, you didn't miss anything at all, man. Let's see. I'm catching back up on the chat, guys. Sorry. Not a bad price for case sauce. I don't even know where we're at, man. SBF will be sorry when he gets. He could be sorry about that one, man. Chris, that's fine. Each their own. I know when I see that stuff, just gives me a feel good vibe. Well, I like this stuff too when those guys go around and they'll go to a Goodwill or something and be like, hey, can you buy, I forgot my wallet, can you buy me this $1 shirt or whatever? And then they pay for that person's entire card or something. I like those videos as well. Give away 10 grand, but I only got 20. Paul, man. Hey, it's a start, dude. It is a start. Such an altruistic nature. I would love to help everyone I know with their fun. Yeah, Loretta, see, and the good thing is, like, if all you got to do is be willing to do it and then somebody else is paying for it, I'd do it all day long, man. I would literally throw 100 grand at you guys every single day if somebody else was paying for it. I'd have no problem with that. But, then you'd have people worried about it that you're just doing it for show. I am just doing it for show. You know what I mean? But the show is the only reason that I can do it. It's really just the way you got to think about it, man. Hope it's a beast thing. Honestly, makes me think of the Bible. I'm not a good person because the Bible says so. I do because it's the right thing. I shouldn't praise people making millions for being. No, I agree with that, Chris. Right? I really do, man. I agree with that. I just think that Mr. Beast couldn't do what he does if he didn't film himself doing it. It's just that perpetual nature that the only way you can do it is if he films himself doing it. Clipper, come on, give me 100,000. Pink promise. I will save the entire crypto market and make whatever coins you hold do a 10,000x. Dude, I would listen. I would give you 100 grand. I would give you 100 grand today if you would 10,000x all of the coins that I hold. Easily, dude. Easily. Oh my gosh, easily. Oh, the devil punishes bad people. Does that make him good? If the devil punishes bad people, does that make him good? Rich! No, man, because revenge is not necessarily good. You're supposed to have forgiveness in your hearts. That's what makes you a good person. The forgiveness, not the revenge aspect. Loretta, I agree with you. I hope one day I get so rich I can meet you and give you 100 grand. S. Rodriguez. I'll give you 100 grand right back. Dude, we'll have a little 100 grand swap right there. Guys, here's what we're going to do. It's 4:53. I like the fact that you guys have been awesome all day today. We're going to be doing another giveaway, okay? We're going to be doing a t-shirt giveaway the same way that we did it this morning. We're going to be spamming the chat here in a second. And a couple rules, okay? You can win if you do not live in the United States. You can play, but at that point, I would like you to do one of two things. Either select somebody that lives in the United States to receive the shirt, and you can personally pick, or just say, okay, that's cool, I won, play again, because I don't want to ship outside of the United States right now. So, very sorry if you do not live in the United States. You can still win, though, and give it to somebody else if you would like, and say, here, Merry Christmas, Tim, or whatever. So, think about that. We're going to be playing here in a second. Also, I do not have any 2X. The maximum size that I still believe I have is an extra large. I'm actually not even 100% sure I have an extra large right now. We did that poll, man, and everybody was drastically larges. And then it went slightly to the extra large and slightly to the medium. You guys are all getting extra larges and 2X's, man. I don't know what you guys are tricking me with on that. But pretty sure I got some extra larges left. No 2X's. So if you guys are 2X or above, you're going to have to do the same thing. Either donate it to somebody or you're going to have to wait until I get more shirts. So keep all that in mind. We're going to be giving that shirt away right now. So please spam the chat, and then all you got to do is let me know where to send it. You don't get to pick your color, but you can tell me where to send it and what size you want. So I've got it ready. As soon as the chat starts moving, we're going to be giving away another shirt here. So please, ladies and gentlemen, make this chat move. Let's win a t-shirt right now. Let's do it. Let's get ready to t-shirt. Come on, guys. Get that chat rolling. We're going to click these 3 lines right here. Going to pin somebody's comment up to the top of the screen. And when we pin your comment up to the top of the screen, you're going to win that t-shirt right now. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep that chat rolling. All right, let's see. Clicking 3, 2, 1. Did I click? Did I click? Did I click? Did I click? It didn't click anybody. All right, keep the chat rolling, guys. Keep the chat rolling. We're going to click in 3, 2, 1. We're going to click. We're going to click. Did I get somebody? I did not get anybody that time. All right, guys, keep the chat rolling. We're going to click in 3, 2, 1. Did I get anybody? Did I get anybody? Oh, I got somebody. Don't know who it was. Who was it this time? Let's see. We got Old Rounder. Old Rounder won this one right here with a good old ASDGAD. Asgard, man. Asgard. All right, Old Rounder. Let me make sure that you are in the United States and that you are also not a 2X or above. Everybody loves saying it's rigged. I promise it's not rigged. So let's see. Old Rounder Square Dude. Where are you at, man? Where are you at? Are you in the United States and are you a size that I have available? You don't have to tell us what size you are if you don't want people knowing what size t-shirts you wear, anything like that. I just want to make sure that you're good to go. And all right, perfect. Old Rounder won on that one. He's got the medium. We will get that going. Old Rounder is I'm 99% positive Old Rounder is in Discord. So Old Rounder, up to you. You can message me on Discord or actually Old Rounder, you're in Discord, right? It's in Antarctica. I will not be sending to Antarctica. I can tell you that right now. Fixed. You wish it was, man. Congrats, Old Rounder. Heck yeah. Old Rounder is in Discord. I'm almost positive. Nice! Patrick pays attention to these giveaways. I know he does. Nice, Old Rounder. Have a hot dog. Thank you for the hot dog. You take the hot dog and you dip the hot dog. You dip the hot dog in your favorite dip, and when you're done dipping it, you shove it. And after you peel the banana, you take the banana and you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Oh, eye contact, man. And just because you need to wash it all down, you take some coffee. Get yourself a little authorized hydration right there. Patrick, man, perfect. Old Rounder, let's see. Can you send a message in the Discord really quick, Old Rounder? In the community or supporters chat, and I'll just send you a DM. And then you can send me your address and all that stuff, and I can get your stuff packaged up. I'm not going to send it out. I'm not going to go to the post office until Saturday. So you're not going to get it until next week, which hopefully that's fine. I'm not making 10 trips to the post office. But I've got everybody else's packaged up and ready to go, so I'll get yours ready to go as well. Woohoo, congrats. Yes, T-Plays, everybody. I have so much fun giving this stuff away. We're hopefully going to be giving stuff away through next week, maybe Thursday or Friday, depending on how many shirts we got left, what sizes you guys are, and, if I only got a medium or small left, then might be running out of people to get it, but we'll still be doing some giveaways. Please come back to all the live streams and that good stuff. Old Rounder, man. Or Old Rounder. Outdoor Smile. We got it. King Golfer, baby. King Golfer. You guys ready for this? You guys can see the King Golfer. Oh! Boo! 4! Thank you very much. Oh, Outdoor Smile. For the beautiful golf swing. You know that was a legit golf swing right there. Today he does, Paul. Today he does. You're going to get TikTok. King Mamba. I have to see, man. I'll have to see. It all depends on whether or not I do a little Christmas shopping this evening or not. So I will see. If I do, make sure to jump in, watch the live stream there. We'll have to see if Stephanie's up to chat and all that good stuff. Everyone have a wonderful evening. Don't forget to click that like button. Please click the like button, all that good stuff. And Old Rounder. All right, perfect. Old Rounder right here, man. I'm going to send you a message. All right, Old Rounder, I sent you a DM, dude. Tell me what size shirt and where to send it as well. Let's see. All right, guys. It's 5 o'clock. It's 4:59 right now. I'm going to message Old Rounder, get information on where to get that shirt addressed to. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much, man. Get your names in the chat once again, guys. We'll do the shout-outs, and then we will be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Eastern. Look, honestly, watch them 2 or 3 times. Let them play. I don't even care if you keep the audio on or something. Views for everybody. in stocks and crypto and finance, including Meet Kevin and all these guys. I keep track of everybody's views, right? I want to know that it's not just my channel getting ripped at this moment in time. All you got to do, man, is watch the video. That's all you got to do. So watch the video, put it on loop, open a playlist or something. Even if my channel's not your favorite channel, do it for somebody else. Meet Kevin, Graham, Steph, and all those guys. Watch the videos and all that good stuff, but views are low, so watch it twice if you need to. Tim, man, King Eggplant on the shirt giveaway. I got a eggplant? Little King Eggplant on the shirt right now. Tim, man, I don't have any shirts with King Eggplants on them, but I do actually have purple vinyl, so I actually might be able to throw a little yellow crown with some purple eggplant on there. Interesting. Ah, dang it! Wouldn't you know that I did not put this stupid sticker in what I sent Pika? Now that's annoying. That's annoying, man. Darn it. Anyway, all right, we'll do the shout-outs, guys. We'll be back tonight. Paul, man, see you later. Next level, enjoy your evening. The famous one, see you. Burhan, see you later. Carding, Pat, love giving away stuff, too. Don't tell him I will never, Pat. I will never. Burhan, S. Rodriguez, Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Tim's going to get a big old King Eggplant with a hole in the back of his shirt. King Mama, see you later. Gorilla, Invictus, see you later, man. Rich, Pudgy, Tim, Burhan, Tim, J-Bones. We got Rich, Old Rounder. Nice win today, Old Rounder. SD, Nick F, Stephanie, bro, if you guys are in here. Burhan, see you later. All you guys, you know what time it is. Danelle, enjoy your evening. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.